built to meet a list of requirements some industry insiders thought impossible at the time.
Clear to release.
It would go on to become the most technologically advanced and widely operated stealth fighter on the planet, before even entering full-rate production. After decades of fighters focused on brawn, it would prize brains, bringing sensor fusion and unprecedented situational awareness into the cockpit and beyond, earning it the unofficial title of quarterback in the sky. With a combination of onboard systems and advanced weapons so capable it can even target fighters flying behind it, this flying supercomputer is changing how nations think about air combat. Meet the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. With the aim of fielding an advanced stealth fighter with streamlined logistical supply lines, training, and maintenance across all service branches, the Joint Strike Fighter program was born out of efforts to field replacements for 6 different aircraft. The Pentagon and a group of foreign partners wanted a single jet that could step in for aging platforms like the Harrier jump jet, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, and nimble fighters like the F-16. According to Lockheed's former F-35 project manager, most people in the aviation industry considered such an aircraft to be impossible as late as the year 2000. By 2001, Lockheed Martin, the same firm responsible for the legendary F-117 Nighthawk and F-22 Raptor, won the chance to build America's next stealth fighter. But the challenges were just beginning. In order to meet its laundry list of requirements, the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter would eventually enter service in 3 distinct iterations. The F-35A is equipped with an onboard 25mm cannon and designed to operate from airstrips. The F-35B offers short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities for small vessels or austere airstrips. And the F-35C comes with larger wings and fuel stores for carrier operations at sea. All F-35s carry the powerful AN/APG-81 radar that can detect and track multiple targets at great distances. More than just a radar, this system is so powerful it can even be used for electronic warfare, blinding enemy air defenses to bolster its stealth profile. Radar data is fused with inputs from its powerful distributed aperture system and other nearby sensors to give the pilot a complete interactive view of the battle space through an advanced helmet and heads-up displays so thorough the pilot can even look through the aircraft at targets below or behind them. The F-35 can then relay this data to other nearby fighters, which has proven to make them even more lethal in large-scale combat exercises like the Air Force's Red Flag. Israel became the first nation to send the F-35 into combat in May of 2018 with a series of airstrikes in the Middle East. The U.S. Marine Corps followed later that year. And in April of 2019, the U.S. Air Force deployed F-35s to Iraq for the first time, where they flew 1,300 sorties, totaling 7,300 combat hours over 8 months without a single weapon malfunction. With deliveries now exceeding 800 aircraft, the F-35 isn't just the most technologically advanced fighter on the planet. It's quickly becoming one of the most common. There are more F-35s in service today than all the world's other stealth fighters combined. But the future of this fighter may not come down to capability, but rather cost. Of the F-35 program's projected $1.7 trillion price tag, the vast majority, about $1.3 trillion, will all come from maintenance and sustainment over its service life. This high operating cost may place America's standing order for more than 2,000 of these jets into question. But operating cost isn't the first seemingly insurmountable challenge the F-35 has come across in its short lifespan. And with the fighter expected to finally enter full-rate production within the coming year, it seems likely this quarterback in the sky will be flying for a long time to come.